I be thawed off the lean when I'm out here on the road. Baby wanna roll me, cause I do the most. Bad Puerto Rican bitch wanna fuck with me. I don't know, cause all y'all hoes sweet as sauce. I be on that road tryna to get it right. I be on that road tryna catch a high. I'm getting tired and I'm pouring up a money. Me and brother for the pour another pint on some green. They wanna fuck with me, but I know what they really are. It's an automatic split, they flick, I'ma get them. All these spinners calling me, bout to back where you at. Come and roll with me, baby, I can show you how to double pop. Show me you going crazy, singing to my song. Really got friends, I been building. She said I be going crazy all up in my song. Finna press the gas and they flick, gotta get it. She be blowing on my track, she like solo, can I hear your song? You know, you really did me wrong. You a hoe, I'm not catching pop. Always wondering about my ex, I ain't never about that. I'm Puerto Rican, she singing to my song. Bad Puerto Rican bitch, ask me why I'm so hard. I don't know, baby, I got talent all up in my heart. If you really wanted me, why you talking to the hoe? You a funny little bitch, all you do wanna talk. Every time I talk to you, everything I do, just know I be low. Like how you in my ex, but you listen to my song. Like demon, love mommy, where you at, throw it back. All around town, tryna fuck up the street. She a bad little bitch, and I tell her throw it back. Finna pour up a pipe, get stuck in my bow. Now I'm up, now I'm all around, shit to the side. Baby, come and roll with me, let me show you how to double around. Double around, baby, I could dip the whole up. Boy, try to get behind me, baby, watch them lose control. Baby, know I love you, baby, don't do me wrong. Hold on, wait a minute, baby, I know you and I. You claim you love me, but you stab me in my back. I can never trust a hoe, baby, all your nose nice. Like, fuck your new nigga, you ain't never up the style. I can't really up a G, can your nigga up a ride? How you really got weed, but you really